Camaros with track mode actually have a feature called no lift shift, where you can keep your foot to the floor when you shift and basically power shift into the next gear, and the car will cut the timing for a second and let you slip into the next gear. So I guess all you got to do really is keep your foot down and shift. The car will do it for you. I'll demonstrate here real quick. So this is me shifting normally. Now I'll do a little no lift shift. I'm going to keep my foot to the floor. As you can see, it's much quicker. Probably not amazing for your clutch, so I don't know if I'd do it every single time, but it is a feature that's there if you're doing some racing. I'm sure it'll cut off couple tenths of your time. Just a neat little feature.